Yo, Aisha, what is this wrong? And we'll have a village here to be side. Killing season is upon us, babies. What you say? Hi guys.
But if I'm up and then I find out why
Welcome to my way.
Bandlo. Thank you. Tikilingiti. Ay bo bebe pe bebe ngapha besingapha kwenzenjani bawumuntu. I can't wait to tell the story about how the song came about and what does it mean. Because what? Hey Tito. Oh, Bimas. Thank you guys. Eh? Angazi phone yakho, I'm sure. I can't tell you now, but I'm spoiling the surprise, or the intrigue of you guys wanting to know how the song came about, what the song is about. You look beautiful, Mama. Thank you so much. EP bro should be kidnapped and forced to drop it. You must date to Justin. Lol. When is Mangena dropping? Mangena is dropping after Kiligiti. So Justin is dropping Kiligiti, then I'm dropping Mangena. Bima, please play the song when you're streaming on Twitch and on TikTok. So it must be, people must hear it till it bores them, but I'm 100% sure that it's not gonna bore them because it's a very beautiful song. The cover is too much. Oh my god. I can't wait for us to drop this song. I'm so tired. And you guys are not even hopping on the challenge. Let's hop on the challenge. Let's take the challenge. My video to 100K. I don't mind doing a school tour. I just need people that host school tours to like call me to come, and then I'll come. Hello, Puti. How are you? Say hi to the people.
Hi guys. Welcome to Nobantu's Villagaz's live. Hope you guys are good. It's a Tuesday.
Mntani mbuze ukuthi wayengakayenzi Kiligiti challenge.
Kusho bani?
Hayi, kuphi?
Kusho bani? Where we are, Papa? Kusho bani? We are speaking. Last time. Yes, last time.
I'm saying sorry naku public.
And I mean, I post. So shy. As man just as go draft. Go to TikTok. Eh. Shy.
Before mama ngesi shy please.
So shy TikTok emoja man. Ayibaka. Shop yethu lekhaya. Ama owner wekho yethu.
Guys, please let us do the TikTok challenge here, Kiligiti. Guys, I don't know why uncool because he's so fucking cool. Actually, Matuman is also here. Can I be your artist, please? Oh my god, so many people want to be my artist. So many people want me to sign them, but it's very unfair for me to sign people mina ngingekho la ngifuna ukuya khona. Attention yonke ngizipha yona because I want to be somewhere in life and I also want to blow up, you know, I want to be big. I can't take people and give them empty promises and ngibabambezele while I still want the shine to be on me. So for me, manje, it's like it's not wise for me to sign any artist, but anyone that wants help in terms of my advice. Hi Dada! Oh my god, my favorite male vocalist. Like this person is so dope, guys. Guys, again, ngikwazi ukungibiza umuntu omdala. Cabanga sengibiza uPhoro ukuthi aze ku live hayibo. Inhlonipho. So as I was saying, it's not wise for me to sign artists while nami ngakafiki la ngifuna khona or see myself where I want to be. So I'll be wasting his cuts up every weekend. Lolo. It's a fucking good song.
Yeah,
no, there's something that me and Z did. Uyakwazi nje ukusima lungu. Yeah. Wait. Yeah, ngizosho mangisayini. Definitely, I will. Na uyakwazi ukusima, ukhonke uyakwazi ukusima. Mina guys, I won't lie, mina ngikwazi ukuswim. Guys, I'm not signed to any record label. I don't have any management. Everything I'm doing it by the grace of God and hard work. I don't have any help, any management, any connection. Everything that I do it by myself. Either bookings, everything, dropping off music, everything. But I'm with Universal for publishing and I'm with Africode for distribution. But Young Kingdom, I do it by myself. And I'm also tired of reaching out to people to help me. Like I'm untalented. So if you're missing out and don't want to help me, then it's your loss. Because I definitely know that my time is coming. And it's really not going to be nice. It's not going to be nice because I will make sure that I sustain what God is about to bless me with. That's all I can say. As a management zone, things look down. Consistency, yes, 100%, 100%. 100%.
Yeah, that's why
And guys, can people stop asking me about Samandebele, whatever? God honestly does things that will hurt you. Ganti, he's saving you from some things. Please do not ask me about that song. There's a better song that I am primary artist on, and that's gonna change my life, and which is Ikiligit. So can people stop DMing me or asking me or tagging me about Samandebele? I am not part of that song. I don't want anything to do with that song. I don't want anything to do with the people that are on that song. Because God will remove people in your life that are not supposed to be in your life because they were not supposed to be in your life. I pushed the song and I'm happy that I did. It was genuine, it was out of my heart. But after, people must stop putting me and aligning me and connecting me to that song. Ask me about Kilikiti, I'll answer you any day. I'm thinking of giving you guys an album. I have so many songs. Why I don't know. Thanks to my mom and dad. Apiwe. Why must I follow you? Give me a good reason why. You guys are gonna get an album. Don't rush me, because I wanna give you something so legit, something so strong. But I'm not gonna drop an EP. Album, ne? EP is gonna is only meter. Why don't you open your company? I do have my own company, Zobugazi Entertainment, but I'm not signing in it. The only artist under my record label is my son. But the first artist, the artist is I say you can buy a manjo, but he's the owner. Like yeah, sign it. But guys, the reason for this live, I wanted to just show you my pretty face. Maybe it's gonna make your day. Another thing, someone said PC, guys, PC is not my boyfriend, but who? Nizo Boshwa, yes. Kilikiti is dropping in August. I'm not gonna tell you which day, but it's the second week of August. The cover is done. Everything is done. So yeah, we just cannot wait to give you the song. Here, God bless you with the Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We appreciate it. Yeah. Guys, we're gonna post the cover when we post the drop dates. Why are you guys so impatient? Why? Thank you, Darwin. I can't wait. I also can't wait. You're gonna have a very beautiful summer. 100%. Anyway, guys, it was nice talking to you. Album Yeza. But before album, Zobane Kilikiti. We know Mangena with Lime Crazy. Every weekend Loro is dropping on Lime Crazy's album. So expect more music coming from me this summer. Hi, freshman. What else? There's a song I did with Zinxumalo and Benny Maverick called Nkaufan Twela. It's also coming. There's something with Russell Zuma for the Lovebirds. Justin and the Guelas, there's a song we did. Actually, we have like 3 songs we did. So the Guelas are going to be dropping one of the songs. I have a song with Blakey, but I think I'm going to drop it on my album. Something with Kabza the Small coming. I don't know. What else? Something with Justin and MJ coming. Something with Snare coming. Something with a song with K-Med coming. We recorded the song before Kuku. So I think it's a next single. But the song is done. She sent me the song is fire. I don't know, I have so many collaborations. I've been doing a lot of studio sessions lately. And something with Kelvin Momo and Sticks is already done. When are you showing Dappy? Dappy's also here. So there's a couple of beats Dappy has sent me. I'm not sure when are you going to have a session. Something with Melody Sleazy also coming. Hi Sleazy. I have a lot of music coming, guys. And I think this summer I'm going to be more on stage than behind the decks. And I can't wait. I can't wait. Something with Slee. I put Slee on Yo. So it's fucking crazy. Something with Baba Alwa and Nia Pearl. It's also done. Something with Devin Gogo also coming. I don't know. There's just a lot. Also, Dwajava Focalistic. I did this amazing song 2 years ago with Focalistic, and I've been listening to it lately. Sorry, and I think it doesn't need a lot of changes. Maybe Lok Drum Yamanje would work. What else did I work with? Mr. Nation. Who else? I don't know. I have a lot of people. That I've worked with. People I'd love to work with on my album. Malemon. No, people that I'd love to work with. Malemoni, Daliwonga, definitely. We've never worked with Dali. There is a song with Daliwonga. I'll look for it, I'll play it in the car. It's me, Daliwonga, Devin Gogo, and Visca on the song. But I want something where me and Dali sing, you know? Yeah. So Malemon, Daliwonga. I'd love to work with. Who's this girl? Lo video I attend a good TikTok. Lo that did a cover. Lo bu eka. Na 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 na. Lo ne ugalpa mga waffles. Lusanda. I'd love to work with Lusanda. I'd love to work with Elaine. I'd love to work with Thandisa Mazwai. Like it can be a dream come true, putting Thandisa Mazwai into a piano song and we just do chants. It'd be very crazy. I'd love to have I don't know, because I've worked with a lot of people that I've always wanted to work with on unreleased songs. So there's a lot of people that I'd love to work with, but mostly vocalists. Production, it has to be Justin 99, Yams, Sticks, Safer. Who's that boy? Louis Mamele Muten. Wade. Yes, I'd love to work with Buhle Benda. Oh my God, Java. Java. Done.
I feel like you don't set
Yes, it's about to go for pop. Zobalimas. Bonke. Bonke. I did something, I'll show you that in the car also. Not that one, don't Blackie. There's one with Nogwazi. that I did. It's a love song. I'd love to work with Black Diamond. I'd love to work with Nomfundo Mo. I'd love to work with baningi ngibakhohliwe. Yazi bengithi mangiloku mayizisa la ngikhuluma nabantu ukudla kuzosheshe kufika. I can't, I'm hungry. I wasn't feeling well, sorry. I wasn't feeling well. But next event is a whole time different. And I wasn't feeling well that day, guys, baba yintsesikhulumile manje. Just please hop onto the Giligiti challenge. We're gonna post. We're gonna tell you guys the drop date soon. We're gonna post the cover. The cover is crazy. Don't say I didn't tell you. Enjoy the rest of your night. Be safe. Stay healthy. Yeah, I'm tired. Shut up. Love you too.